What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games exploding to the upside. Love to see it. I've completely filled my planned allocation for my HODL position. I believe my average price is around 0.037 or 0.038, which I'm very, very happy with. So hopefully this is the true bottom and we explode to the upside from here. Nothing's promised, but that would really make me a happy camper, as Gala is my largest HODL position. Yeah, so let's jump into it. Currently sitting at 0.045. We're up 15% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 298 million. 24-hour volume 249 million. If you're new to Bitget or Bybit, make sure to sign up to these exchanges. I do my investing and trading mostly on Bitget. Check out my full link tutorials. Email me your sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's head into Gala Games. We're exploding to the upside. Looks like we're seeing an extended wave 5. So what you may be looking at is that's the wave 1, wave 2. This is just the wave 3, wave 4, and you'd push up into wave 5 to complete the wave 1. So we'll wait for that 5-wave move to complete before giving that wave 2 pullback zone. Let's zoom out and see if we're pushing up. Where's my volume indicator? Why is my volume indicator not on here? Visible range volume profile, please. All right, so we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We started to push back above the POC. We pushed back above that resistance. We are pushing up into some resistance here at about 0.044. So we may see that wave 4 pullback soon. We're heading into overbought. Of course, we can just explode to the upside. It's very possible. But let's say we pull back from here. If we were to pull back from here, we can give that wave 2 pullback zone. So that would be in between 0.035 and 0.032. If we pull back from here, that's not promised. This would be the key support to hold, because if we break that, then there's a higher likelihood of coming down and create a lower low. But if we hold it, then the wave 2 can be in. We did everything we needed to do. We created that ABC correction, which we were predicting up at 5-6 cents. We came all the way back down to our wave 2 pullback zone, and we started to bounce. We didn't come down to the 2-cent range. We almost did. We came down to about 0.030, and we started to bounce in a beautiful 5-wave move. We're back above the 4-hour EMAs. So if we keep exploding to the upside, then we can push up to our next resistance level, 0.048, and then all the way up here to about 0.053, and then the previous all-time high. But if we do start to pull back soon, then just watch for 0.032 not to be broken. But right now it's looking pretty good. We're getting back above the daily EMAs, which is absolutely beautiful, because if we get back above the daily EMAs and we hold them, we once again print the bullish cross, we fall back to support. Boom, you see that continuation to the upside to explode to our wave 3 target of 26 cents. Completely filled my planned allocation from my HODL position. Most of it I got in around that high 3-cent range, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, and I added some more at 4 cents here, so I'll have to see what my average price is. But as you can see, the bearish divergence on the daily time frame fully played out. We came all the way down to oversold as we predicted, and we started to bounce. So if we can hold the daily EMAs, that's a beautiful sign that we could see continuation. And as I mentioned, the only bearish scenario is for us to pull back and break 0.032, but it looks like we haven't even completed this 5-wave move. As you can see, Gala's just exploding to the upside, which is definitely an early sign of the strength that Gala will show on this bull run. In my opinion, it will be one of the top movers in the metaverse space, and it's the reason that it's my top HODL position. I'm a big believer in what they're doing in gaming, music, and movies, and I believe TV as well. Huge partnerships. They've already had huge partnerships, and I'm very excited to see what's to come for my good friend Gala Games. And if we reach my price targets, then it will make me filthy rich and I'll probably retire. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. You can sign up to the Patreon link to get early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, member profits, my HODL all plays, $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. Smash the like button. All right, much love. Take care.